I'm Kiyoshi, and I'm glad to be back for a little bit instead of doing YouTube shorts. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. See you. Let's go. How y'all been? Today's a nice little windy day. And yes, I am wearing it goes with my bathing suit. I like it, honestly, even though the sun keeps on coming out. Besides that, I like it. I like it. I mean, that boat with the V4, Johnson. Oh, yeah. Want to see how dirty my car is? Yeah. It's kind of dirty and kind of dented. Yeah. It's kind of dented a little bit. I don't really, I mean, I care, but I don't care at the same time, you know? I don't need new front tires soon, honestly. Gotta save that money. I mean, look at this wool crap. Yeah, I'm having a good day so far. Hey, there's something special that I'm gonna tell you in a future video. You're just gonna have to wait and see. So, hey, if y'all wanna hear about it, make sure you make comment. You can comment, but subscribe if you want to. Yeah, today there's like no boats out on the water. Well, I mean, yeah, but there's no boats out. There's no boats out on the water. And I understand. Ooh, it feels nice. It actually feels. What is that? No, but the lake does feel nice. Kind of cold, but not too cold. Hey, July 3rd. I know that's not July 4th, but July 3rd, they're having fireworks on the lake here in my little town. Fireworks on the lake. Might do a video on it, but yeah, honestly, I will do a video on it. It always, I swear on my life. But no, it always rains on July 3rd. Ever since they started, I think 2 or 3 years ago, every single time they did it, it always rained that day. Then it calmed down. Then it stopped. The rain just stopped before the fireworks went off. I'm like, man, it could have been like this all day. I hope we are having a wonderful weekend so far. And this here, of course, you see I'm at the lake just about every day that I don't go to work. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta earn that money. Gotta save that money. You know what I'm saying? Of course, now it's gonna be all blurry. Focus, okay. Sorry, I had to get a couple pictures of that, you know, so I can post. Oh crap! It's been a journey so far at work, you know. It's been a journey. Had somewhat of a long talk with one of my co-workers yesterday. You know, and my blood breaks. You know, at work. And of course it's like 10 a.m. already, and it's see what it already looks like. And I just heard thunder. I legit just heard thunder. I'm like, man, I just got down. I mean, like I'm in the lake. I'm in the lake, but like, yeah, I don't know. This thing is getting beached. I don't know what the lake keeps on going out. I don't like it. I really don't like it. It used to be up there way more. But look at that Nissan. No, but the lake used to be up way farther than it is now. But I'm glad it's raining, then so I can fill it back up. I'm very glad. But I don't like it going out like this. Plus, Like after the Hurricane Ian, it was like up to that fence right there. It was up to that fence right there. Like legit. And it was like, go up to the fence and where that no trespassing sign is, that's where it like legit was. A little bit after, past that. Now, here's somebody on a boat, yes. About time this one. I'm just kidding. No. I love this lake too much. Yeah, I actually cleaned the inside of my car. For once. Y'all seen how like it was dirty and had all that clay in it? But I actually cleaned it. For once. Well, for once I'm using my wide angle. But yeah, well, the outside's dirty. But don't worry about that, man. Look at this. Oh, and yeah, it's still a little sandy. But look at it. See that? And it has a little bit right there. But besides that, besides all that, yeah. Besides all that, it's pretty much clean. And except for the outside. Except for the outside. And the top. Well, of course, that's on the outside. Yeah. Looks like it's already raining over there. Oh man, there's smoke. I don't know how well I can see it, but I see smoke. Yeah, he was like right in the middle of the screen. He was closer. But I like how it's raining already way over there. You can hear the people. I love this town. I love this town. I don't know. But I hope y'all are having a good day. And if y'all know anybody that can wash my car, you know, please help. I mean, I can, you know what I'm saying? But I don't do a good job, but not a good job, you know what I'm saying? Sorry if my face is like right up in the camera, you know what I'm saying? Sorry about that. Just out here trying my best. Yep, that's right. Have people out there tubing. My favorite thing to do on lake days, you know, but I don't got a boat nor a tube or a jet ski. So, but honestly, the waves right now, how it is, the waves and the wind and that's really what makes it better. It really helps you out, honestly. Yeah, I'm not gonna, like y'all know that, you know, people who go tubing. But it really does help. But my neighbor, well, I mean, I go to my neighbor's, and he says, this is a good thing. I mean, honestly, don't want to be caught out in the rain, but don't want to take the boat out while you know, it's windy like this. But I'm just saying, it helps you out too, and helps you get more exciting, even on a like pontoon boat that doesn't really go fast. You know what I'm saying? It really does help. Hey, put it down in the comments if you want me to, geez, my hair, if you want me to do like an actual boat vlog when next time I go out my neighbor's boat. Like, just put it down in the comments and hit that like button if you want me to do it. It's very peaceful. I mean, look at that. Big old tree. Hey, yeah, and tonight I'm gonna be going to a truck meet, undisclosed location. If you know, you know. But tonight I might film it, you know, just to have something else on the channel, you know. Just say I'm just trying to go to do as much car things as possible, you know, as much car things. But I'm gonna try and film the truck meet tonight, just to give the Kiyoshi fam another video, you know, to watch. Got to. You see, he's like, the water came up to like right there, and hey, remember that one right there? And then look how far it came up. Oh, actually no, it came the one right next to it. Right next to it. And that's just where it stopped. And I just got a thing that says rain expected to start in your location at this and this time. I didn't really read it, but look at it over there. Let's go, I guess. I don't know. But this, yeah, I'm gonna get another bath, even though it really hasn't gotten a bath. Weatherman Kiyoshi here to. I know, I'm crazy. I'm weird. I know. YouTube, please don't take down this video. Like, poor bird. And that poor bird. Yeah, the poor animals, especially the birds that have to fly through all this crap. Why not? They can't even stay, or they can't even stay in one place. Well, if the wind hits them just right, then they can, but yeah, looks like them two are fighting, so I'm just gonna leave them be. Yeah, that rain's coming in, well, them clouds clouds are coming in quick. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think I should do next, you know? So, I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Hey, Kiyoshi fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.